loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So I do apologize for not uploading a video sooner, but I was sick and I'm still currently a little sick. I'm feeling a lot better, but we're getting through this. Anyway, so today's video is going to be the 3 easy looks, although I have to admit that the last one isn't that easy, but still, if you follow it step by step, you should be able to do it as well. And today's palette that we're going to be using is the Dream Street palette from ColourPop, which is in collaboration with Kathleenlights. This palette is absolutely stunning. I love it. This is what that palette looks like. I love all the colors that are in here. I so far have used every single color in this palette except for this little shimmery one right here. But don't worry, baby, I'll be putting you to good use. Anyways, if you guys want to see the 3 looks that I created using only this palette, then just stick around and keep on watching.
Alrighty, my loves, let's go ahead and get started. For primer today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime Eyeshadow Primer. This is the first primer that I first started off with when I first started doing YouTube. I absolutely love this primer. It is amazing. Now, as promised, we're going to go ahead and dip into the Dream Street palette from ColourPop and Kathleenlights. We're going to start with the shade Shooting Star, and this is going to be our transition shade. So we're going to apply this right into our crease and above our crease. It's going to be, like I said, transition. Next, we're going to go in with Potion, and this is going to be our crease shade. We're going to go ahead and apply this right into our crease and our outer V. Now we're going to take the shade Moony, and this is going to be our base shade. We're just going to go ahead and apply this on the base of our lid, following the shape of our eyes. My eyes are a little bit hooded, so it might be a little bit different than yours, but it's okay. It overall should still be basically the same process. Now we're going to go back in with Potion. This is going to go right back out into the outer corner, and we're going to kind of smoke that into Moony, kind of blending the colors in together. This is basically creating a half cut crease without the actual cut crease. Now taking Magical and Moony, we're going to go ahead and highlight our brow bone. Going back in with Shooting Star, we're going to go ahead and apply this to the lower lash line, smoking out our lower lash line just because I always have to. At this point, I already have most of my makeup done. I'm just finishing up the eyes. Now we're going to take Twinkle right here, and we're going to use this to highlight our inner corner. It's such a beautiful shade. I love it. And for mascara today, we're going to be using our Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I've been obsessed with this mascara. It's all I've been using. Now we're going to go ahead and tightline our eyes with a vintage black pencil eyeliner. Sorry about that. Yeah, I got this in my BoxyCharm, and that's my little baby in the background. This basically completes look 1. Now for look 2, we're going to go ahead and start with Stardust. I did go ahead and start applying this to the base of the eyes without any setting spray, but once I started applying it and noticed that it wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, I grabbed my Fix Plugs and I kind of sprayed it on there. There it is. If you guys don't have Fix Plus, you can always just use whichever setting spray you have. Look how much that intensified the look. I was like, whoa. Moving right along, we're going to go ahead and take Shooting Star, and we're going to start kind of blending out that first shade into the crease a little bit. Just a little nice sparkly smoky eye. Now we're going to go in with Potion, and I'm going to start applying this into the outer corner and to the crease, kind of defining and giving the eye a little bit more definition. Going in with Elfish, we're going to further deepen that outer corner. Now we're going to take Moony, and we're going to go ahead and highlight our brow bone. Going back in with Shooting Star, we're going to go ahead and smoke out that lower lash line because, like I said, I just have to. Going back in with Moony, we're going to go ahead and use this to highlight our inner corners. And this basically completes look 2. Now for look 3, we're going to go back in with Shooting Star, and again, this is going to be our transition shade. Now we're going to take Spark and we're going to apply this right into the crease. I was crazy surprised on how the pigmentation was. I was also, not going to lie, a little bit intimidated about this one. But it turned out good, so it's okay. Now I really did take my time smoking that out. Now we're going to go in with Sweet Dreams. I'm going to apply this on our base. I did spray some Fix Plus onto it because I did want that intense glittery look. And I just patted this on, but because it came out like super gold, I did go in with a different shade right on top of it to kind of change the look a little bit because it's going a little bit too dramatic for what I wanted to do. So we're going to go ahead and take Twinkle here and we're going to do the same thing, apply some Fix Plus on top of it and then pat it towards, I started in the middle and then worked my way outwards to the outer corner of the eyes, kind of blending the two in together, and so it makes like this gradient shiny effect. You know what I mean? Now we're going to go in with Potion and we're going to apply this to the outer corner, kind of smoking out smoking out the eye. We're also going to take this into the crease a little bit, further smoking it out. Now we're going to go with Elfish just to further deepen it out. I try to keep this more in that outer corner area, if you guys can tell, not so much in the crease. Now I'm just using that first fluffy blending brush to go ahead and make sure that everything is smoothly blended out. Taking Shooting Star, we're going to go ahead and start smoking out that lower lash line. And I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to take Spark and just apply this as close as I can to the lash line. So you can kind of see that pinkish coming out as well too. Going back in with Potion, I'm going to apply this about halfway to the lash line, giving that little gradient of a smoky effect. And then doing the same thing with Elfish, except keeping it more in the outer corner. I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line as well. For this look, as always, we're going to be using lashes. This is from Kiss. I absolutely love these lashes. They looked amazing. And that basically completes look 3. If you guys truly enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, hit that notification bell. And until next time, my loves.